name is Riya and welcome back to my channel. Guess what time it is? It is Vlogmas time! Today is day 3. So we're getting ready and this is like max chaotic as usual. Say hi to the vlog after so long.
Hi vlog!
Say hi Leo. Hi. Saksh and Mal's already said hi.
What
yes,
the fuck
yes.
is she doing? Just look at how she's sitting. What should we wear for Dilju?
Dilju! We're going with Dilju.
Say something before Riya starts this vlog. She's a cheater, she's a scam, she's a fraud. Say, I am sitting in my ghar ka kapda. Look at this. And look at what she's wearing. Because shut up, Sarah. Just shut up.
I thought I filmed something and come I didn't get time.
Shut up.
Guys,
shut up.
Mallu takes no time to get ready.
That's
Other
what
people take
we
time.
took. I took
We
for-
actually do
Shut
our
up.
makeup. We
Yeah.
actually do
Yeah.
our hair. We
Yeah.
make an effort
Yeah.
with our
Correct.
appearance. She
Correct.
doesn't.
Correct. Bro, I took 45 minutes to do my makeup. Mallu will take 2 minutes to do her makeup. So then what to
Because
do?
she won't put only any makeup. That is not the point. We decided that we were getting dressed together.
Okay, Saksh apologize. 1, 2, 3. We're sorry. We love you. Gemini.
Gemini and Nathan are in a position of power today. Let's go! Wow.
So my top ka option
Yes.
this.
I like this a lot.
This.
I bought the same
But
thing.
wait, uske niche what to wear? I
Then
have
use black shorts.
black, but these are formal shorts. Where's my
So
skirt?
what?
I feel like you should wear these shorts with this top.
Yeah, even I feel you should wear.
Yeah.
This is the vibe.
Perfect. ठीक है.
Or if you're wearing, then
No,
do this.
you wear this black skirt a lot. Give this one.
When did I wear it? Either you pick this combo or this combo.
Oh, this is also cute, huh?
That's also very nice.
Yeah. Guys, there's a bottle in Dio's hand and she's gonna open that with her teeth. And actually, you would require an opener for that, but let's see. It's a lemonade.
Fucking
What the hell? Are you okay?
Legend,
Bro.
legend.
That's insane.
That is
That's crazy, na? We're so late.
as always.
Passes, got the passes.
Thank God.
You forgot, na, view?
Honorary.
Honorary.
It's not coming.
Honorary.
When you break it out like that, I can say it. But when I'm saying it, it's just coming honorary. Honorary.
Honorary.
Vlog, we have a child.
Legit.
That's so
Now this walk inside is going to be like 20-30 minutes. So prepare yourself.
Riyesh is not prepared.
I'm never ready for this
I'm
walk.
also not prepared.
But we'll walk. We'll meet you when we
need
reach.
to do this for Dilju.
That's right.
ये तो मुंबई है राइट मुंबई यहाँ तो फिल्मों में बड़े गाने बड़े शराब पे
There's flowers in his hand.
This is the current status.
Say hi. So cute. Guys, he has Diljit's gloves. Apparently, I don't know. You all did pinky promise now though? Very bad. Very bad. Stop it. Mallu, rate your night out of 10.
A solid 9.
That's a good rating.
Yeah. Just because we lost each other quite a bit and
Yeah,
it was like
yeah.
a little chaotic and
Yeah.
we missed Dilju's entry.
Yes. Agree.
But otherwise,
It was good.
Yeah, the walk was
The
really
walk,
bad.
always a race course
But
though.
the vibes were immaculate.
Dio, rate your night out of 10.
I think I'm solid 8.5. Only because -5 only because there was a really long line at the bar counter. And I lost a lot of time with you guys.
Yeah.
Like, probably like another half an hour, 45 minutes.
Yeah.
Easy. View, rate night out of 10.
I think 8.5.
Yeah, same.
Because of the walk and again losing these guys.
Yeah.
We went late.
Yeah. But overall, concert was good.
But firecrackers.
The firecrackers.
And like, guys, Diljit is such a vibe. Like, he's so cute. He's such
Yeah,
a
he's
very
really
cool.
adorable. Hey there. Oh my god, the lighting is so bad. Hold on. Let me fix this. Diljit was actually a very like last minute decision for us because Malch was coming back and she was like, I want to go anyhow. So we paid like extra for our passes. The silver zone ka passes were actually 5k and we paid 6.5, I think. Not worth it at all in my opinion. I've gone for a lot of concerts in the last 2 years because I feel like because of my work I get a lot of opportunities to like go for concerts and attend stuff like this. But this is the first time in 2 years actually I've just gone for fun. I realized that. So that was fun that I didn't have to work, but also at the same time it was really crowded. Couldn't even see Diljit. Vibes were vibing but like not too hard. I feel like 6.5k not worth it in my opinion, but overall had a good night because I was with my people. Feel like the gang is back. But yeah, anyway, I've had a super long day. I had so much work to get done before we went for Diljit, and I just want to vlog like the fun parts of my day because it's gonna be too much to edit if I vlog everything. It is, let me tell you, it's 12:52 a.m. I'm giving myself precisely 30 minutes to 1. Clean my shoes. Yes, let me show you. Look at the halat of my shoes. These were white and they are wrecked, and I think it's my fault because I make the same mistake over and over again. I always wear nice shoes to Mahalakshmi Racecourse. Now if you live in Bombay or if you've attended a concert in Bombay and gone to Racecourse, this place is the most inconvenient place. Like I've gone to Geo, all those places for concerts, much better than Mahalakshmi Racecourse. I think Racecourse just fits more people, so that's why more artists have it there. But it's gross. It's really muddy. The walk in and out of the concert is like 20 to 25 minutes. It's always the most disorganized. Yeah, anyway, that's my take on it. But it's my fault that I wore such nice shoes to the concert knowing that they would get wrecked. I just did not think of that. I'm going to clean my shoes. Also, my hair looks terrible. Like horrid, and that happens at Racecourse again. I think I'm gonna wash it. I'm just gonna like open it and see what I can do with it. Like maybe I'm just gonna comb it out and see how bad it looks. So yeah, I need to take my makeup off, shower, wash my hair maybe because tomorrow is a big day. You probably saw from the thumbnail. We are gonna meet Shraddha Kapoor. Yeah, I know, I can't believe some of the things I say. Like, is that even real? So that's happening tomorrow and that will be the second half of this vlog, so you will see it. Let's say I get into bed by 1:30 till about 4 or 4:30. I'm gonna try and stay awake and edit. Why does it look like I'm not wearing anything, guys? I am. It's just a little deceptive. Yuck. Yuck. These are really nice shoes. It's a little better, not bad. It's still like kind of dusty and brown, but like, ow, my nail is breaking. Hey, I'm in my bed, all showered. I'm feeling so good. I'm just gonna get to work. I don't want to waste more time. Let's edit. Hey, good morning. It's the next day. I actually forgot I was vlogging. Like I woke up, I got ready, I sat in the car. It's been like an hour that I've been in the car and I just forgot that I was vlogging. Luckily, I just had my vlog camera in my bag. Thank God. I am all ready. I cannot believe we're gonna meet Shraddha Kapoor. I feel like it's gonna be really nice because I think she's very kind and humble, and at least that's what she gives off. So let's see, I'll let you know. I'm really excited to meet her. Obviously I'm headed to the Meta office because that's where we're meeting her. I don't know what exactly it's gonna be, but once we get there we will find out. What a great way to end the year though. Hi, I have arrived. I am so on time. Can you believe it? When am I ever on time? Thank you for Shraddha. It's Meta. Since you're back.
Back from
Look who's back. Like back on the channel types, bro.
She's back. Tell a friend.
This is always the situation. This clip I can put. Hello again. This is day 3. Hello, day 3. So proud of you.
Third time delete. नहीं यार मेरे को पता है.
Video of this and we'll put it out and tag me to solve your issue. So before we leave, we'll put one album with 15 pictures and music.
You have to solve this problem for me क्योंकि 15 पिक्चर मुझे तो डालने हैं और मुझे म्यूजिक भी डालना है. यार मेरा थ्रोबैक का प्लान खराब हो रहा है यहाँ पे यार. मैं गूगली पूछूं? पूछ लो. हाँ क्या है कि when you think you are a part of the rat race, आप गलत factors लेके decisions लेते हो हमेशा. And mostly that happens with people around you telling you should do this. आपको ये करना चाहिए, वो करना चाहिए. आपको और पिक्चरें साइन करनी चाहिए या आपको इसके साथ काम करना चाहिए, उसके साथ बहुत सारे नोशंस होते हैं. तो अभी मुझे लगता है कि मैं इतनी कंफर्टेबल हो गई हूँ, इतना खुद से इन टच हो गई हूँ कि मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया है कि मैं अपने लेन में हूँ और मुझे जो करना है, जो मुझे ठीक लग रहा है.
Hi, I'm just here to end the vlog. I had a great day at Meta today. I was so sleepy because I slept so late last night. I think I slept at like 5:15 or something. And then I had to wake up, get ready and run. So I was really tired. So I came home and then I just slept for 2 hours. It was really good. I think I needed it. And then I had dinner and I've been editing and the vlog is all ready, good to go. But I just wanted to say, Shraddha is so cool. Like, her energy was insane and she was so chill. She was just chatting with all of us. I feel like she was a human being first, and that is so cool to see, especially when you like meet celebrities. It's cool to see that they're real, like, you know, they're like you. I don't know, she was nicely chatting with me and all, and then I told her I didn't watch 3. Anyway, it's fine. I will watch it. I'm just not a horror person. But she has told me that I have to watch it and then post a story and give a review after watching the movie. So I will. Done, deal. Shraddha, if you're watching this, as if she will be watching this, but I will definitely watch 3. I have literally just now finished editing this. Can you believe? And I didn't have an outro clip. So I was like, I'll quickly just do the outro and go to sleep. Okay. Bye. See you tomorrow.